Dolamara public expresses concerns over violation of inter-district movement. Two-person dies of electrocution. Public seeks compensation for victims. A very good morning to all the viewers of Karbi Anglong Live News. You're with Julie Baby with the latest news of the day. Now let's look into the news in detail. Despite strict government bans and rules, several people are still involved in illegal mining of resources from the hills of the Mahasa. These illegal mining activities also pose great threats to the local residents. Fed up and unable to bear these illegal activities of smugglers, the people of Boro Lokindong village under the Mahasau step out together to stop the mining activities. Led by headman Jeng Ronghang and accompanied by villagers, a team visited the illegal coal quarry near Assam Coal Quarry village border, inside the land that belongs to Boro Lokindong village as per the village map. Ronghang and the villagers stopped the illegal coal mining workers and directed them to resolve the issue through discussion at alias. The villagers have strongly stated that if the owner of the quarry does not take their formal permission, villagers will take serious action against him and will move to higher authority. At present, the villagers could not identify the person but have resolved to find him out at alias. The villagers also added that illegal coal mining activities have been taking place in the area due to the careless act of the Assam Mining Development Corporation or the AMDC.
Lasi sini niltum arong along Boro Lokindong area aron repen dap koila nang hut lasi niltum mabangke bina Fardison rong sa phantar jije lapen rat tum phantar jije lasi niltum lang namlo pinier ni lasi la lebar phananta niltum tung erji pin ke pachadam erlo se arjije te niltum ke ha kutta dami
Linson Ronghang from Umrongso, Karbi Anglong Live. Even after the announcement of the Unlock 3 guidelines by the Assam Chief Secretary Kumar Sanjay Krishna on 2nd of August, allowing on inter-district movement for 2 days on Monday and Tuesday, the movement of vehicles between Karbi Anglong and the neighboring Golaghat district was seen flying, with many people without following COVID guidelines. Huge numbers of vehicles were seen moving towards Bokaghat town without any restriction. Laws should be equal to all, whether rich or poor. There should be no distinction among people. Hunbora from Bokaghat used to run his hotel at Dolamara as usual. But after knowing the restriction of inter-district movement, he crossed the border in the morning at 7 a.m. when no police personnel were manning in the district border. This is only a single evidence to indicate that several people have no regard for law and order or have any fear of any authority. Dolamara public have appealed the authority and officials of Dolamara police station for strict implementation of their inter-district movement rules as issued by the government.
Napen signal itu non na churu.
Dah forest gate an damlo. Ke gedam purpose bangke nili dawai anai pu. Ala bukahan long isi ne medical ala joy medical along pensi dawai anbo. Kasi dah isu bilang center pan dawai antiam iplo. Takan damlo ke osi bang pachiru ki. Inter district bugenil tu machini lo office tamil hai ke segila nai alam hai hoi bang ke bon bit ko joksini lita damlo. Tamen na pachiru khela.
Nili phantala sondak thaklo khas ke chenge nili dak pendam lo inter district do I know ni chini lo inter district do buge sitame laso inter district ke do ke raj ke equal nahi so phanta raj ke equal nahi whether Bokaghat whether here Dolamara so phanta equal nahi
Lalu la non alang tum ki pulam dan jithalo la pena hong ni tung dak locality lo la pen locality ni tum chini lo daga police tum ke la ke non nom da la son checking bomb lang athe checking bomb mane la helmet ka we pen check insurance ka we to ho la hai bang nang pu tami keng op chithon vek nei pu la hai pen se poisa en pon bom la tum bang poisa en en lo sitami aku aja tumhan bangke paprek dak aja tumhan bang en pon pe la leader tumhan ni lagi politics ke khela lo aku aja inter district bon pustami aja tumhan papa wang long hap pen da papa wang long la chichini mu chot ke athela tinge poisa thok bom mati police phan
Arjun Rongpar from Dolamara, Karbi Anglong Live. In a tragic incident, 2 persons from Beam Ingti village in Rongplimplang lost their lives due to the utter neglect of the APDCL. Locals have condemned the failure of the company in proper maintenance of the power lines, which resulted in the mishap. The incident occurred on Tuesday night at around 8:30 p.m. when an electric city cable snapped and fell on the ground. Unaware of the danger from the live wire, Rovel Ingti, the first victim, stepped onto the naked wire and got entangled. Upon seeing the huge man stuck, Kungri Ingtipi, the second victim, also got entangled immediately after touching the youth while trying to save him. Both the victims were killed on the spot. According to the villagers, the authority failed to address their 11 years long complaint for installation of new electric posts to decrease the distance between 2 posts which are 150 meters apart. Villagers claim that the electric cable snapped due to the pressure from the weight owing to excessive distance between the poles. 21 years old Rovel Inghi, son of late Samson Inghi, has left behind his wife and 1-year-old daughter and also 2 sisters. On the other hand, 40 years old Kungri Ingtipi, wife of Bijoy Timong, has left behind her husband and 7 children. Following this tragic incident, locals of area along with the deceased family filed an FIR with the Manja police station demanding strict action against the APDCL.
Hing pining pen ning kan crazy bagdolo sitame halabang so claim bom porhut contractor tumpan sitame nilitum rongasor pinang an complain ke pidunlo je alang tumnang thaklo la ICC apur long 70 feet anak pensi ICC apur do itu sitame la non ladak abangke 70 kali 150 mitaran bak ajak ke ding kogi la song bong pen sitame ningkan kep bak ladak dolo rovering hi atum mithang pinu apoka hem labangsu dak aluhin lo nakechu labangsu bang bom mahut sitame alangli rovering hi bang akeng dong chek lo halabang so dong chek apor hut kaching hon kachirap dunji pomat kungring tipi bangta ladak akeng aripen dandun chek lo hamasi ladak alang tum bang hinita ladak si aprandam ijuilo.
Shocked and horrified public of the area have now strongly demanded immediate compensation for the family of the victims. Vijay Rongpi from Dilai, Karbi Anglong Live. Assam Police, led by Bokajan SDPO, John Das, and Lahorijan Outpost in charge, CR Bora, seized brown sugar hidden inside soap cases. The seized drugs, weighing a total of 649 grams, was found during a regular checking at Lahorijan on Tuesday. The contraband substances were seized from Doboka-bound Bolero pickup coming from Dimapur with the registration number AS02BC 7866. In this connection, 2 persons identified as Muhammad Ali Hussain, 25, son of Asir Uddin of Jamunamukh, Hojai, and Muhammad Mainul Haq, 25, of Jamunamukh, Hojai, have been arrested by the police. The price of the brown sugar in the illegal market is estimated to be worth around ₹20 lakhs. Later, the 2 peddlers, along with seized brown sugar and vehicle, were brought to Dilai police station, where both has been charged under 11th section of NDPS Act and investigation is underway.
যোৱাকালি আমাৰ এটা স্পেচিয়েল নাকা বহা হৈছিলে এৰাউণ্ড 2 PM খবৰ এটা আছিলে কি এনেকুৱা ছাছপেক্টেড ড্ৰাগছ মানে কি ইউজুৱেলি কেৰি কৰে স্মল কমাৰ্চিয়েল ভেহিকল তো সেই মৰ্মে আমাৰ IC লাহোৰজন তাতে নাকা এটা ছেট আপ কৰিলে আৰু এখন বলেৰো পিকআপ ভানত যেতিয়া আমি চাৰ্চ কৰিলোঁ এতিয়া 52টা চাবোনৰ বক্সত এইটো ছাছপেক্টেড ব্ৰাউন চুগাৰ আমি ৰিকভাৰ কৰিবলৈ সক্ষম হৈছোঁ ইয়াৰ টোটেল ৱেইট হ'ল 649 গ্ৰাম এই সংক্ৰান্তে 2জন ব্যক্তিক এৰেষ্ট কৰা হৈছে এজন মাইনুল হক আৰু এজন আলি হুছেইন তো দুইজনে যমুনামুখ হোজাৰ বাসিন্দা হয় আৰু প্ৰিলিমিনাৰী ইণ্টাৰভিউশ্যনত এইখিনি পোৱা হৈছিল যে তেওঁলোকে এইটো বস্তুটো ধবকা বাইপাছত ডেলিভাৰী কৰাৰ কথা আছিল
Anand Derang from Bogajan, Karbi Anglong Live. Well, that is all we have with us for today. Stay safe and thanks for being watching Karbi Anglong Live.